Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Today we are going to do a simple watercolor Valentine's Day card, greeting that is. Here I have taken a 200 GSM watercolor paper. This is A3 size. I am folding this vertically. Okay. Now we'll fold this once more. We have to just cut this portion and we'll have two greetings. I'm going to show you the design for one of them right now. Now we'll start our painting. We'll take another paper and we are going to draw a heart on this one. Just follow the tutorial and you will see this will result into a beautiful card in just a few minutes. Okay, first we'll draw the heart on this one. If you are very good at drawing symmetrical hearts, you can directly draw it, but I prefer it this way, becomes easier. We are going to use this portion. We are going to tape this down. Now we'll take red watercolor. It's actually more of a magenta, but I'm fine with it. So we are going to go ahead with this color, and what we'll do is we are going to use the wet on wet technique. So I'm going to wet this portion a bit. Don't care about this paper. We'll take some more color and make this a bit darker. I'm trying to have dark edges so it has a bit of three-dimensional look to it. Now I'm going to dry this brush on a tissue paper and wash it off and dry it. Now I'm going to create the effects that I want, because now the brush is going to pick up the color. You can see how much color the brush is picking up. If you think it's a bit more, you can correct it easily. Take some water while you're correcting it. Now we'll let this dry a bit and come back to it in some time. So this is dry now. We'll remove this top part. We have our heart here. Now we'll take the same paint and create smaller hearts around this heart. Now we are going to draw outline of the hearts, just outlines, so it will give it a different look. Now we are going to write Happy Valentine's Day on this one. HAPPY. This I'm doing with a white gel pen. You can get this at any stationery store. Now we'll take red sketch pen, and if you like you can go over this. You can skip this step completely and end your greeting here as it is, and it will still look good, but this is just for extra effect. Now the last part. This part also you guys can skip, but I would advise you to follow this step. This is a watercolor brush pen. You can get it anywhere in any stationery shop. This is a golden one, and I am going to do abstract circles with this one around the heart. So your card is ready now. You can gift it to your loved ones, because Valentine's Day is all about love. You can give this to your best friend, to someone you love. I'll give you a closer look of how this is looking. This is just with single watercolor, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.